Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Regular expressions, regex or regexp, are a powerful tool for pattern matching and text manipulation in Python. They allow you to search, match, and manipulate strings based on specific patterns. The I construct within a regex pattern is used to control the case-insensitive matching behavior. In this tutorial, we will explore what I means and how it affects the matching of the word password in Python regular expressions. I is known as a flag or a modifier in regular expressions. It is used to change the matching behavior of the regex pattern. Specifically, I is used to make the pattern case-insensitive. This means that when you include I in your regex pattern, it will match the specified text regardless of whether it's in uppercase, lowercase, or a combination of both. Let's look at a Python code example to understand how I works in practice. In this example, we have a regex pattern ipassword, which is looking for the word password but is case-insensitive due to the I flag. Here's what the code does. We import the re module to work with regular expressions in Python. We define our regex pattern as our ipassword, where I makes it case-insensitive. We have a sample text that contains variations of password, including different cases. We use the refindall method to find all matches of the pattern in the text. Finally, we print the matched occurrences of password, which will include all variations of the word found in the text, regardless of case. When you run the code example, you will get the following output. As you can see, the I flag allows the regex pattern to match password in different cases, including password, and password. In Python regular expressions, the I construct is used to enable case-insensitive matching within a pattern. It's a useful tool when you want to search for text without being concerned about the specific case of the characters. This tutorial demonstrated how to use I with a code example to match variations of the word password regardless of case in a given text. ChatGPT